Hey there, Linux enthusiasts. Ever needed to check which version of Ubuntu you're running but didn't know how? Well, today I'll show you 3 super easy ways to find your Ubuntu version using just the terminal. Let's dive in. Knowing your Ubuntu version is important when installing software, troubleshooting issues, or following online tutorials. Different Ubuntu versions can have slightly different commands or features, so it's always a good idea to double-check your version before you proceed. The easiest way is using the lsb release command. This will display details like the distributor ID, description, release number, and code name. For example, it might say Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. If you just want the version number, you can use the same command, just replace A with R. If lsb release isn't available, you can check the OS release file directly. Just run this command. This gives you even more details, including the version ID and pretty name. Finally, the hostname command also shows your Ubuntu version along with system info. Look for the operating system line. It will show your Ubuntu version along with your kernel details. And that's it. Now you know 3 different ways to check your Ubuntu version using the terminal. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Linux tips, and I'll see you in the next video.